Write 1320 as product of three consecutive numbers. NP3 is there. Okay, you should write product of three consecutive. That means 1320 is the number. Make into product of three consecutive. How you know three consecutive means the format is NP3. So first divide with 10. It is 132. Next divide with 11. Is 12. Okay. Now NP3 is equal to 1320 is equal to 10 into 11 into 12. Or if you write in a reverse order, you can write it as always you should mention in decreasing order. 1320 is 12, 11, which can be written as 12p3. So given is NP3. Just by comparing here, you get answer as n equal to 12. Very simple and important 2 marks question. Only thing, write product of three consecutive. NP3 unte three consecutive try cheyalante. NP4 aithe product of four consecutive try cheyandi. For example, next question. Question number 2. If NP4 is equal to 1680. If NP4 1680, find n. Same number, same method, number different. Here you should write 1680 as product of four numbers. Write 1680 as product of four numbers. 1680. Make it product of 4. So first go with 10. 168. After that with 8 you can get 21. After that with 7 you can get. So 10 into 8 into 7 into 3. But you should make it to consecutive, right? You should make consecutive. Sure, here. 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Okay, the complete consecutive numbers product NP4. Product of 4 consecutive. That is the technique. That is the concept actually. Okay. So 10 5 into 2 diminishation. So and automatically you can get arrange like this 3 into 2 6. Now this NP4 is equal to 1680 can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So from starting with 8 we got product of 4 consecutive, which is nothing but 8p4. NP4 is equal to 8p4, which is n equal to 8. మీకు వేరే నెంబర్ ఏమి ఇవ్వడం ఐపీ ఎగ్జామ్ కాబట్టి మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తే అయితే 1320 ఇస్తారు లేకపోతే 1680 ఇస్తారు. సో మాక్సిమం టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కదా. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అయితే డిఫరెంట్. So NPR is equal to some constant given means first you should make it product of consecutive numbers in decreasing order. ante kada factorial ఎప్పుడైనా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లో కన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఉండాలి. 4 అని ఎట్లా తెలిసింది మనకంటే NP4 ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి 4. NP5 ఇస్తే ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ 5 కన్సిక్యూటివ్స్. మీకు అట్లా డివైడ్ అయ్యేటట్టే నెంబర్ ఇస్తాడు. ఓకే, వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ మెథడ్. ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. పర్ముటేషన్ కాంబినేషన్స్, Vsaqs and Saqs. Scoring topic. 2A లో good topic and scoring topic. Next question. If NP7 is equal to 42 into NP5, find N. Yes, sir. So observe here, NP7 means here product of consecutive numbers. How many consecutive? 7 consecutive. So first take given expression as it is, NP7 equal 42 into NP5. Product of 7 consecutive. NP7 can be written as N minus 1, N minus 2. Write like this up to 7 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the product of 7 consecutive. 42 into NP5. Start with N, write product of 5 consecutive. N minus 1, next N minus 2. Next N minus 3, next N minus 4. Okay. Now next step, cancel similar terms on both sides. Here you get N minus 5 into N minus 6 is 42. So expand this. N square minus 6n minus 5n minus 11n plus 30. N square minus 11n minus 12 is 0. N square minus 12n plus 1n. A simple factorization. N of n minus 12 plus 1 of n minus 12 is 0. N minus 12 of n plus 1, 0. N equal 12, n equal minus 1. So n cannot be negative. N can't be negative. So final answer is n is equal to 12. Very easy questions. 2 marks, very simple. 4 marks also very easy here. Particularly permutation method, they give rank. All you know how to find rank. Easy method. Every year I do 7 marks. Sorry, 4 marks, not 7. Right. Next. If 12 PR is equal to 1320. Find R. Same as the first question. NPRs. n given 12. So you should write 1320 with 12. How to write? Already you know this procedure. Okay, 12 into 110, then 11 into 10. First question చేశాను దాన్ని కొంచెం రివర్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. So this 12PR is equal to 1320 is equal to, you can write it as 12P3. Clearly what is R? R is equal to 3. Just 2 lines, 1 line questions. Very, very easiest. Okay. So all these questions based on writing product of consecutive terms. Now questions based on NPR. ఇక్కడ చూడండి almost ఈ 4 questions లో we have used only one common method, that is writing of consecutive terms. Now questions based on NPR. Questions based on NPR. What is NPR? N factorial by n minus r factor. Okay, question based on this formula. How they ask question? Observe here. If (13PR) is equal to 12P5 plus 5 into 12P4, find R. Thirteen PR is equal to 12P5 plus 5 into 12P4, find R. So observe the solution. First take RHS. 12P5 plus 5 into 12P4. Use formula here. What is NPR? N factorial by n minus r factorial. Here 12P5 is 12 factorial by 12 minus 5 factorial plus 5 into 12P4 can be written as 12 factorial by 12 minus 4 factorial. So you get here 12 factorial by 12 minus 5 is 7 factorial plus 5 into 12 factorial by 12 minus 4, 8 factorial. Now observe here 12 factorial by 7 factorial plus 5 into 12 factorial as it is. 8 factorial is 8 into 7 factorial. All you know. Enduku 8 factorial is what? 8 factorial is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the factorial ఏదైనా సరే ఆ నెంబర్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి అప్ టు 1 వరకు మూవ్ అవుతుంది, డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. Okay, 8 into 7 inch observe and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is nothing but 7 factorial. That's why we are writing 8 factorial as 8 into 7 factorial. Okay, now then you can take 12 factorial by 7 factorial common. Here you get 1, here you get 5 by 8. Now 12 factorial by 7 factorial into 8 is the LCM amount. Now 8 plus 5, 13. Right? Now numerator is 13 into 12 factorial. Denominator is 8 into 7 factorial. Right? 13 into 12 factorial is 13 factorial only. 8 into 7 factorial is 8 factorial. This is total RHS value. Now, what is LHS? Given LHS is 13 PR. What we got after simplification of RHS, we got this as 13 factorial by 8 factorial. Okay. Now I am writing this 13 factorial by this 8. I am writing it as 13 minus 5 factorial. Okay. Now if you formula to compare n factorial by n minus r factorial is NPR. Similarly, 13 factorial by 13 minus 5 factorial is 13p. Okay. So 13pr is equal to 13p5, which is equal to r is equal to 5. Got it up? 13 factorial by 13 minus 5 factorial is similar to this, which is nothing but NPR. So 13pr equal 13p5, so r is equal to 5. Very simple and easiest questions. N plus 1 P5 is NP6 is equal to 2:7. N plus 1 P5 is to, let it first it is NP5 is next is N plus 1 P5 is to NP5 is 3:2. Find N. N plus 1 P5 is to NP5 3:2. Find N. Again formula related. How to solve? Use NPR. What is NPR? N factorial by N minus R factorial. Apply here N plus 1 factorial by N plus 1 minus 5 factorial. Just use formula. East NP5, apply formula. N factorial by N minus 5 factorial is 3:2. Next step, N plus 1 factorial by N plus 1 minus 5, which gives you N minus 4 factor. Okay, this is ratio. All you know, A is to B is nothing but A by B. Right? You can write A is to B as A by B. Therefore, the total divided by this. N factorial by N minus 5 factorial is equal to 3 by 2. First step, very simple. And just we are using NPR formula. Next part, N plus 1 factorial by N minus 4 factorial into N factorial by N minus 5 factorial. Okay, basic logic is equal to what? 3 by 2. Now observe this step. How to write N plus 1 factorial? Decreasing order. First N plus 1, next is N. You can write factorial here. Here also, first N minus 4 in decreasing order. Decreasing order means go with minus 1. N minus 4 minus 1, which is N minus 5. అంతే కదా, ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ క్లారిటీ ఉంది కదా. ఎన్ ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఎన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, తర్వాత ఎన్ మైనస్ 1, నెక్స్ట్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 2, నెక్స్ట్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 3 అప్ టు సో ఆన్. అంటే -1 చేస్తూ పోండి. 3, 2, 1 ఏ ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అయినా 1 దగ్గర ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ మీరు ఎక్కడ కావాలంటే అక్కడ స్టాప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అకార్డింగ్ టు క్వశ్చన్ మీకు ఈ 2 టర్మ్స్ కావాలి, రిమైనింగ్ దగ్గర బ్రాకెట్ పెట్టుకుంటే this whole part can be written as n minus 2 factorial. ఇప్పుడు n minus 4 factorial ఉంది చూడండి. n minus 4 factorial రాయాలంటే స్టార్టింగ్ నెంబర్ n minus 4, నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి, -1 చేస్తూ వెళ్ళండి అంతే. n minus 4 ఆఫ్టర్ n minus 5, ఆఫ్టర్ n minus 6, ఆఫ్టర్ n minus 7 అప్ టు సో ఆన్. ఎక్కడ వరకు? లాస్ట్ 1 వరకు. 3 into 2 into 1. ఓకే, n minus 5 cut and n cut and now n plus 1 by n minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, same terms cancel happen. Then just cross multiply. 2 into n plus 1 is equal to 3 into n minus 4. 2n plus 2 is equal to 3n minus 2. So clearly 2 plus 12 is equal to 3n minus 2n, where n is 14. Okay, easy question. So now you take one homework question, same model, just almost similar. The question will try again. If n plus 1 P5 is NP6 is equal to 2:7, then find n. Okay, start the procedure and get answer. Follow the same procedure. ఈ పార్ట్ అంతా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ సేమ్. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, n ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ బై n minus 6 factorial. Here it is 2:7. Homework వెళ్ళేది ఇప్పుడే చేసాను. ఒక 1 minute time is 1 minute లో you can solve. Exact procedure applied, you get n value. Yes, Amma. Follow the procedure. NP6. N factorial by n minus 6 factorial. 2/7. Same here. N minus 6 factorial by n factorial. 2/7. This part as it is. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం చేంజ్. ఏం కావాలి మనకి చూడండి, ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ n minus 6. So observe here. Here numerator is n minus 6. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంకో స్టెప్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ కదా, n minus 4 factorial is what? Start with n minus 4, subtract 1, n minus 4, n minus 5, n minus 6. Next n minus 7 up to so on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. ఇట్లా 1 వరకు ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ వస్తుంది ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి n minus 6 ఉంది కాబట్టి మీరు ఏం చేయాలి, n minus 5 తర్వాత పార్ట్. Okay, so ఇక్కడ n minus 6 starting out, you can write this entire thing as n minus 6 factorial. అర్థమైందా? So write n minus 4, n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorial. అంటే బేస్డ్ ఆన్ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఎంతవరకు ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయాలని. Simple technique, very useful technique. Actually procedure, not a technique, it's a procedure. Factorial cancel అయితాయి. So n plus 1 by n minus 4 into n minus 5 is 2/7. Sometimes ఈ మెథడ్ మీకు 4 మార్క్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. 1-2 times same model 4 marks అడిగాడు. ఓకే, సేమ్ 2 marks కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు, పాసిబిలిటీ ఉండదు. ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఆల్రెడీ గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోండి. 7 into n plus 1 is equal to 2 into n minus 4 into n minus 1. 7n plus 7 is equal to 2 into expand n square minus 9n plus 20. So what you get here, 7n plus 7 is equal to 2n square minus 18n plus 40. Okay, so multiply with 2. Then factorization. 2n square minus 25n plus 33 0. 66 and 25 combination. 22 and 3m. You can write it as 2n square minus 22n minus 3n plus 33g. 2n out n minus 11. Minus 3 out n minus 11. N minus 11 into 2n minus 3, 0. N equal to 11. N equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 not possible. N should be positive and integer. Positive integer undal. 3 by 2 not possible. Therefore, final answer for this question is n equal to 11. Okay, so like this model very important. Procedure